Tired of the Game Client Library DLL gaming error? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'm going to fix your multimedia stack and eliminate that pop-up. Before we start the Game Client Library manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the Game Client Library, a generic naming convention used by many mid-2000s games, like source engine clones, to store the primary client-side gameplay rules and UI logic. Missing this file prevents the game from resolving its primary execution manifest, resulting in a silent crash to desktop, CTD, immediately after the splash screen. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Since Game Client Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Localized Game Client orchestration toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application where you received the error is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Game Client Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Manual intervention with Game Client Library DLL is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for Game Client Library. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Game Client Library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.